Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Cutty Eats, where today I thought I'd see what I had to eat. And you know what? There's Slim Chickens. Slim Chickens seems to be a chicken place that it's currently working on growing. I've seen it in a couple places, and so I want to go ahead and try it out, especially since at this time they were rocking the limited time item of the Tender Mac and Cheese Bowl. Now, you guys know I love chicken tenders, tendies, and you know I love some mac and cheese. Looks like it comes with 2 pieces of toast. Looks like it's 1 piece kind of cut into 2 triangles. And then I got the Coke because that looked like what came with. Of course, it comes in the bag, and then within that we have our item. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at our chicken tendy mac and cheese. We're pretty pumped about that. Over here, grab our fork. And I'm going to go ahead and just dive right in. You know, this mac and cheese, it's just their mac and cheese chopped with chopped chicken tender and some shredded cheddar jack cheese. So nothing too complicated, but as you look in there, you know, it looks like that's some good looking cheese, as well as some good looking chicken tender pieces. So looks like no chicken tenders in that bite. I do just want to try the mac and cheese, which is fine because as a chicken place, and it's fine. Really kind of what I expected. From fast food mac and cheese. It's got that kind of bite to it. See if I can get a good idea of what I don't know how to put it other than fast food mac and cheese. I'm going to get a chicken tender in this one. And chicken tender is pretty good. You can see there's just some nice thick pieces in there. You get the fried chicken tender. I think it's the standard. I know they've got grilled, I believe, but I'm not sure if you can substitute any grilled in there. I mean, it's just some toothsome, not quite doughy pieces, but but you know what goes good with the chicken tender? Yeah, toast I'm looking at looks pretty standard. Not a lot of flavor to it. A little breadier, more bready than toasty. Coke's fine, but they did fill it straight at the top with crushed ice. They were not giving me anything to play with. It's all right overall. I'm interested in that the chicken tenders are by and far the best part, and so I am interested in almost going back and just trying the chicken tenders and some of their sauces. Not a great bite shot here. And it's not quite creamy enough on the cheese. Melted cheese. I do like the layer of cheddar jack on top. And like I said, you know, here's a piece with just that melted cheese and the chicken tender. and not quite a crispy chicken tender, but definitely not. I mean, I wish they had, like, I think Zach Cheese does really good buttery bread. It was just kind of bread on a toaster. And I'll finish it off. It's unfortunately not something I'd go out of your way if you're comfortable eating chicken with other chicken places would truly do it just as fine. If you're looking for a chicken mac and cheese. However, the chicken tenders in there were good enough that, like I said, I do want to return and see if I can't I can't even shake it because it's, again, it's just chock full of ice. So interesting to see a new chicken place try and come up while seemingly you know, not doing anything crazy. From what I saw, the mac and cheese was all right. The chicken tenders on top were good, but if I were to eat chicken tenders in some kind of sauce, that sauce has got to be good. If they do fries, I want to see those fries be pretty good. So, unfortunately, this limited time item is not something I would recommend. However, if you guys want to keep watching and watch me review something that I do recommend, go ahead and like, smash that bell, subscribe, follow me on social media at Cutty Eats, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Patreon if you would like to donate. Post suggestions in the comments, but most importantly, just want you guys to tune in next time. Thanks.